In-depth comparison, iPhone 17 Pro versus Canon EOS R10. The iPhone 17 Pro and Canon EOS R10 represent two distinct approaches to photography and videography in 2025. The iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's flagship smartphone, announced on September 9, 2025 and released on September 19, 2025, is a versatile all-in-one device that excels in computational photography, portability, and integration with everyday tasks like communication and computing. In contrast, the Canon EOS R10 is a dedicated APS-C mirrorless camera released in 2022, designed for enthusiasts and content creators who prioritize optical versatility, manual controls, and high-speed shooting in a lightweight body. This comparison focuses on their capabilities as imaging tools, covering design, sensors, lenses, performance, video, battery, connectivity, and more, while acknowledging the iPhone's broader utility as a phone. Data is drawn from official announcements, specs sheets, and reliable reviews. Note that the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099 for 256 GB storage, while the EOS R10 body-only retails around $879, often bundled with a kit lens for $9. 1. Design and portability. This iPhone 17 Pro is the epitome of pocketable convenience. At just now and 8.25 mm thick, it slips into any pocket or bag without a second thought. Its aluminum unibody frame, a shift from titanium for better heat dissipation, includes a large rectangular camera plateau for symmetry, and it's fully IP68 rated for submersion up to 6 in. The ceramic Shield 2 glass on front and back offers triple the scratch resistance of previous generations, making it rugged for daily use. The EOS R10, while compact for a mirrorless camera, 429G body only, feels more substantial and requires a dedicated bag or strap. Its plastic polycarbonate construction is lightweight but lacks weather sealing, so it's vulnerable to dust or splashes, common in outdoor shoots. The deeper grip aids handling with lenses, but overall it's less grab and go than the iPhone. Edge. iPhone 17 Pro for everyday portability. 2. Sensor and image quality. The EOS R10's 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, 1.6x crop factor, delivers superior low-light performance and dynamic range compared to smartphone sensors with native ISO up to 32,000 expandable to 51,200. It produces files with excellent detail up to 6,000 IPS 4,000 pixels and natural colors via Canon's tried-and-true processing, ideal for prints or crops. Noise is well controlled up to ISO 6400, and it supports 14-bit RAW for post-processing flexibility. The iPhone 17 Pro's triple 48 megapixel sensors, all upgraded to match the main Fusion camera, use pixel binning for 12 megapixel outputs, leveraging computational magic. Deep Fusion Smart HDR6 for vibrant, noise-reduced shots. However, its smaller 1.28-inch main sensor struggles in extreme low light. ISO tops at 3200 natively, and images can look overly processed. It shines in consistent share-ready JPEGs, but lacks the EOS R10's optical purity for professional editing. Edge, Canon EOS R10 for raw image fidelity and low-light prowess. Lenses and versatility. This is where the EOS R10 dominates. Its RF mount ecosystem, over 40 native lenses plus EF adapters, allows swaps for ultra-wide treasure, e.g. RF 10 to 20 mm, telephoto, RF 100 to 500 mm for 800 mm Wycliffe, or macros. The kit RFS 18 to 45 mm offers 4.5 stops of stabilization, but you can scale up for wildlife or portraits without compromise. The iPhone's fixed lenses are impressive. 48 megapixel ultra-wide for landscapes, 5x telephoto, up to 8x optical on larger models for portraits. But you're locked in. No swapping for a 400mm zoom or shallow depth bokeh beyond software simulations. Edge, Canon EOS R10 by a mile for creative flexibility. 4. Autofocus and shooting performance. Both excel in AF. The iPhone's AI-driven system tracks subjects, including vehicles and birds, with uncanny accuracy across the frame, using LiDAR for low light speed. It handles burst at 24 FPS full res, but electronic shutter tops 120 FPS cropped. The EOS R10's dual-pixel AF2 is equally sticky for eyes, heads, bodies, with 23 FPS electronic bursts, full AF-AE, and 15 FPS mechanical. Perfect for sports or wildlife. It has less rolling shutter distortion in mechanical mode. Tie, but EOS R10 wins for action photography. 5. Video capabilities. The iPhone 17 Pro is a video powerhouse. 8K 24p, 4K 120p with Dolby Vision HDR, ProRes for grading and stabilization, sensor shift OIS plus electronic. It supports log profiles and spatial video, making it a mini cinema camera for vloggers or filmmakers on the move. Audio is pro level with spatial capture. The EOS R10 caps at 4K 60p with crop or uncropped bit 30p. With no 10-bit log or ProRes, it's solid for YouTube, but dated against 2005 standards. Full HD 120p is available for slow-mo. Edge, iPhone 17 Pro for high-res, feature-rich video. 6. Battery life and power. Apple claims 33 hours of video playback for the iPhone, estimated 4,400 mAh of battery with vapor chamber cooling, boosted by efficiency gains. Real-world tests show 10 to 12 hours of mixed use. QID wireless 15 and reverse charging added convenience. The EOS R10's LPE17 battery yields powers 450 shots. CIPA dropping to 300 in 4K video. It's rechargeable via USB-C, but requires spares for long shoots. Edge, iPhone 17 Pro for endurance. 7. Connectivity, storage, and ecosystem. The iPhone integrates seamlessly. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, eSIM for global roaming, and 256 GB 2 TB storage with instant cloud sync via iCloud. It doubles as a computer with Apple Intelligence AI tools. The EOS R10 offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth for transfers, UHS 2, SD for expandability, and Canon's app for remote control, but no built-in storage or phone features. Edge, iPhone 17 Pro for modern workflow. 8. Price and value. The iPhone 17 Pro's $1,099 entry plus ecosystem lock-in buys a full phone. Add lenses for the R10 and costs climb. $1,500 plus for body plus 2 lenses. The R10 is cheaper upfront for pure photography, but lacks the iPhone's multi-functionality. Which one is the best choice? It depends on your needs, but the Canon EOS R10 is the superior choice for dedicated photography. If your priority is capturing high-quality stills, whether landscapes, portraits, wildlife, or action, the R10's larger sensor, interchangeable lenses, EVF, and manual controls deliver unmatched optical excellence and creative freedom that no smartphone can replicate. It's ideal for hobbyists, semi-pros, or anyone building a camera kit, especially at its value price point. However, if you want an all-in-one device for casual snapping, social media, video content, and daily computing, calls, apps, navigation, the iPhone 17 Pro wins hands down. Its computational features make pro-level results effortless without extra gear, and its portability ensures you never miss a shot. For most users in 2025, the iPhone's versatility outweighs the R10's specialization, unless photography is your sole passion. If budget allows, Consider the R10 as a companion to your phone for hybrid setups.